Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So we are starting chapter number 8, that is takhti number 8, and we are going to learn about madda, madda, madda.
madda.
How many huruf are madda?
3.
Shabash. 3 huruf are madda. And what are those?
वो क्या था स्लाफ
Alif, waw, and ya.
जी हेलो
So alif, waw, ya. These 3 are
अली
huruf madda. Yes.
जी
Name them. Mention the names of huruf madda. Alif.
अली
Yes.
या
Okay. Alif, ya, and what's the
का
third one? Wow. Wow.
वाओ
Okay. These huruf are madda. Alif is madda when it has zabar before it. When
ओके
alif comes after zabar,
ओके
and it is actually the case every time when alif comes, it comes after zabar. Okay. So
ओके
alif is always madda because it is always sakin and it is always after the zabar. So alif is always madda. And then we have this wow. Look now, this is wow. Okay.
ओके
And wow is sakin. This is the sign of sakin. This is,
साकिन
yes, this is the sign of sakin. So when wow, yes, this one. When wow is sakin and it has pesh before it, then wow is madda.
ओके
And when ya is sakin
जी
and in addition it has zair before it. When ya sakin comes after zair. When ya sakin comes after zair.
अच्छा
Then ya is madda. So wow and ya need this condition to become madda, and alif is always madda because alif is always sakin. Alif cannot carry any harakat, any zabar zir pesh. So alif is always madda and alif has zabar before it. Waw and ya need 2 conditions. First condition to be sakin, and second condition to have harakat that
जी
is supportive for being madda, and that supportive harakat for waw is pesh,
पेश
and the supportive harakat for ya is zair.
ज़ेर
This zair helps ya to become a harf madda. Okay.
ओके
Now how to read these? Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ba alif zabar ba.
बा अलिफ ज़बर बा
Ba waw pesh bu.
बा पे बा पेश वाओ
Ba waw
बा वाओ
pesh bu.
पेश पू
Ba waw pesh bu.
Ba wow fish boo.
Ba ya zer bi.
Ba ya zerbi.
Ba
Ba
bu
boo.
bi.
Bee.
Ta alif zabar ta.
Ba alif zabir ba.
No, this is ta. It has two dots upon it, so it is ta. Ta alif zabar ta.
Ta alif zabir ta.
Ta wow pesh tu.
Ta wow fish tu.
Ta ya zer ti.
Ta ya zerti.
Ta
Ta
tu
tu.
ti.
I.
Okay, can you try the next one? This is sa. It has three dots and then alif, sa, alif, zabar, sa. Yes, read it.
Sa alif zabir sa.
Shabash.
Sa
Wow.
sa
Sa, wow, yes. Sa, wow, fish. Tu.
sa wow fish tu.
Yes, next.
Ta ji.
Saya zer si.
Saya fish sea.
Zer, this is zer, you know, zer. Zer is under the letter. It comes beneath. Saya zer si.
Saya there see.
Sa,
Ta
tu,
tu
ti.
ti.
Yes. Try the next one.
um
The black one is ha and the purple one is alif. So how to read them?
ha alif zabar ha.
Shabash.
Wow, wow, fish. Hmm,
Yes. Ha wow fish. Hu.
wow, fish.
Ha ya zir hi.
Haya zirhi.
Ha
Ha,
hu.
hu,
Hi.
hi.
Since these huruf are huruf madda, that's why when we read them, we like read them long, long, long. Ha, hu,
Ha,
hi.
ha, hu, hi.
Can we read them shorter? No,
Ha,
I'm asking. I'm just asking. Can you give the answer? What if
ji.
we read them? What if we read them shorter and we don't just stretch the voice? Ba, boo, be. If we don't read like this, and if we read them shorter, quick, quick, ba, boo, be. So is it right? And can be allowed or not? What do you think?
नहीं.
It it will not be allowed because madda means to stretch, to make something long, long, long. Okay? So these
Okay.
are haruf madda.
हरूफ मद्दा.
Yes, being madda, they deserve and they demand to be stretched and to be read longer. Right?
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
So these were huruf madda and you are going to practice them a lot. Okay?
Okay.
Nice.